How to fix Snapchat device ban. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I will show you how to fix the Snapchat ban on your device. So now without further ado, let's get started. So step 1, that is to make sure that the Snapchat is updated to the latest version. So here you can simply open the Play Store and simply search for the Snapchat app. And here make sure that the Snapchat is updated to the latest version because update can often solve the bugs and issues within the app. And with that, moving forward to the step 2, that is to clear data and app cache. So here simply go back and tap and press on the app icon. And now here from the pop-up menu just tap on app info, and now here once you are inside the app section simply tap on the clear data option, which can be seen in the bottom right corner of the screen. And once you tap on it, a pop-up menu will appear. From that menu, just tap on clear cache and confirm it by tapping on OK. And with that, moving forward to the step 3, that is to change date and time. So here simply go back to the main settings, and here once you are inside the settings simply scroll down and tap on the option labeled as additional settings. And now here once you are inside the additional settings, there you can see the option labeled as date and time. So simply tap on it. And now here once you are inside the date and time, simply turn off set time automatically option and set time zone automatically, and after that you can simply choose different time zone or move the date a few days forward or backward, because this helps you to bypass temporary bans tied to device or time restriction. And with that, moving forward to the step 4, that is to reinstall the app. So here, if that doesn't work, you can simply go to the Play Store and simply uninstall the app, and after that you can simply reinstall it. And after this, it will help you to lift the temporary bans, especially if they are linked to cache, IP, or time-based issue. And that's it. That's how you can try to fix a Snapchat ban on Android. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.